Hey friends, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Ever seen a date in Excel like this? With dots instead of slashes? And your time is hanging out in a different column like this? Today, I'll show you how to combine that date and time into one clean cell with proper formatting, just like a pro. Let's jump right in. Here's our data set. In column A, serial numbers from 1 to 20. In column B, dates with dot format. And in column C, time values. Our goal is to combine the date and time into one single cell, using slashes in the date, and formatting everything neatly. Now, you might be thinking, can I join them by using concatenates? Okay, let's try. Type this formula, =, select the B2 cell, add ampersand to join. Finally, select the C2 cell. Now, press enter. It just smashes the text together like this. No spaces, no formatting. Totally unreadable. First, convert dot dates to real Excel dates. Let's fix that using a helper column. In column D2, type this formula. Here, substitute is an Excel function used to replace specific text inside a cell. B2 is the cell you're working with. Double quotation dot means find dots. And double quotation slashes means replace dot with slash. Press enter. This formula replaces dots with slashes and converts the text into a real date. If needed, format column D as a date. Just right-click, go to Format Cells, click on Date, choose your format, and click OK. Now for the magic formula. In column E2, type this formula. This part formats the fixed date. This part formats the time in 24-hour style. And ampersand joins them with a comma in between. Now, press enter. Final output looks like this. Clean, professional, and perfect for reports. And that's it. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel hacks. Thanks for watching.